Hello, friends and followers. Well, I've spent a couple hours today working on this National Company HRO 500. And I was reading on blogs last night that someone said, oh, the capacitors go bad. They said, don't even debug the circuit, just replace all the capacitors. So I did indeed replace all the capacitors. Here's all the capacitors that I pretty much pulled out of it. Those are small signal capacitors. When I checked all of these with my capacitance meter, they didn't work at all. These were all open, so there was no capacity left in these capacitors at all. And indeed, the radio didn't work at all with these capacitors in the radio. So it might have taken me like an hour or two to replace them all. It wasn't too bad, but you can see now I have these little China communist capacitors from the Chinese communists in here, which this kit cost me all of $10, and I figure I'm not going to order 30, 40, 50 bucks of crap from Mouser to fix this thing. I just use the Chinese communist capacitors and they seem to work. So at any rate, bunch of capacitors in here. I mean, there aren't, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Maybe there's 12 or 13 capacitors. Oh, whoopee bing do, right? It's not gonna kill you. So anyway, there's one over here. There were two here, one there. One there. One there. One there, one there. I mean, yeah, there's a few, but it's not going to kill you. Anyway, that made a big difference in this radio firing up. So when I turned the radio on, I was quite surprised to hear it would work. So now I'm on the AM band, and I mean, this thing is no way ready to go, but it has static and picks up stuff.
And then it goes on the band. Then it goes on the band at the end. Yeah. Yeah, it's a great movie.
It's working. So I can't seem to get any other bands on it, but the AM works. It needs a lot more work. It needs alignment, but the good news is replacing all the capacitors brought this thing back to life. Wait a minute, let's go like this. There. Yeah, replacing all the capacitors brought the radio back to life. So I don't think the synthesizer's working well or working at all. I can't seem to get it to go, but I really haven't done much